importance of your why. Every day of your life, you do certain things. When you get up in the morning, you take a shower and brush your teeth. You go to work and do things that the company or organization wants you to do. When you return home of an evening, you may eat some dinner, watch TV, and then go to bed. So, think about this for a moment. You know what you do, and you know how to do it. But do you think why you do these things? Why do you have a shower every morning? Why do you brush your teeth? Why do you do certain things at work? Why do you watch TV when you return home? Essentially, the what and the how usually come pretty instinctively. The how part may require you to learn and practice, but after a while this becomes an automatic thing to do. But what about the why you do all of these things? Sometimes the why is pretty obvious. If someone was to ask you, why do you shower in the mornings and brush your teeth in the morning, you would probably answer, because you don't want to be dirty and you want to smell nice. Other times, the why is not so obvious. Why do you sit in front of the TV at night while other people are in the gym or socializing with others? If you really think about it, then you may say that TV relaxes you, or it is something that I have always done. Doing things at work that you don't enjoy doing is interesting. Most people will say, if I don't do it, I will get fired, which is a fair comment. But have you ever wondered why your employer asks you to do certain things? A lot of people will say that they really don't care about this, and all they want is their salary at the end of the month. You need to care about the why. When you understand why you and your employer do certain things, it will give you a much greater perspective on life. From an individual point of view, your why is what drives you. It is your purpose. You are unique, and the reason that you do things you do sets you apart from everyone else. Rejoice in this uniqueness. Your why is the reason that you take action. It gets you out of bed in the morning and into the shower. It then gets you to your place of work or business. When you understand your why, this can actually inspire others to take the action that you want them to take as well. What is your true purpose in life? One of the oldest questions is, what is the purpose of life, or why are we here? A lot of people will tell you that this is an impossible question to answer, but we believe that you set your own purpose in life. You have the tools, your mind, to set this purpose. Think about where you are in your life right now. Everything around you is a result of your thinking. All of the things that you have and don't have come from the purpose that you believe that you have in the world. At this point, you may find this hard to believe. We believe there are 3 types of people in life. 1, the drifters. If you do not have a true purpose and are happy to just drift along in life, then the things that you have or don't have will be a reflection of this. Some people just don't care that they do not have a real purpose in life and are quite happy to just amble along at someone else's pace. 2, people who are stuck. Then there are others who are not satisfied with doing this and want to find their why so that they can lead a life which will fulfill them. The problem is that these people struggle to really find their purpose, so they end up stuck and don't know which way to turn. 3, people who know their why. And finally, there are a small percentage of folks that know exactly what their why is. These people are driven and live life to the maximum. You will not find these people slouched on the sofa watching meaningless TV every evening. They are out and about making things happen. So, which of these categories do you fit into? It is likely that you are in the second category with the other people that are stuck. This is just a hunch, as why would you be going through this training otherwise? If you are in the stuck situation, then this is okay. There are no hard and fast numbers on this, but we believe that the majority of the population are drifters. They are just happily bound along wherever life takes them. If you are stuck, then you are in the minority. You know that your why is very important in your life, but you are having a hard time finding your purpose. Give yourself a pat on the back for being in this situation because you are far ahead of the rest. You understand that it is very important to know your why to live life to the full. Your why is going to be different from other people's, which is fine because we are all different. It is not enough for you to drift along in life. You expect and want more. In the next video, we will take a look at the major benefits of knowing your why.